Hello and welcome back to the channel. Join me today as I teach you about one of the best companies to earn high interest on deposits made in your savings account. The national savings account average interest is currently far below the country's inflation rate, which makes it more difficult for teachers to save and grow their money. Without a high interest savings account, it's harder to achieve financial freedom with a limited salary and not earning enough on savings to beat inflation. Fortunately, teachers and educators' nest eggs can perform better with a high-interest savings account. But first, what is a high-interest savings account? High-interest savings accounts are deposit accounts through banks and credit unions that advertise significantly higher rates than traditional savings accounts. For example, many pay 3 or 4 times more than the national average of 0.07% APY. Otherwise, high-interest savings accounts work identically to traditional savings accounts. You make deposits, withdrawals, and receive interest each month. Take note of minimum balance requirements and withdrawal frequency maximums. High-interest savings accounts are optimal for short-term goals like a car, down payment, emergency fund, and vacations. But how do high-interest savings accounts work? Well, high-interest savings accounts are similar to other savings accounts because they offer access to your money, regular deposits, safety, and transaction limits. You can transfer money from your high-interest savings account to other linked bank accounts. The FDIC ensures banks protect up to $250,000 of your money. So these accounts are a little bit different because they pay a higher APY and have a greater online presence, minimum deposits, and monthly fees. Therefore, teachers and educators should seek higher APYs to earn a higher interest rate on their cash savings. Online banks and credit unions commonly have an initial deposit requirement of $100 or more. However, a few provide high interest savings accounts with as little as $0 to open. Finally, many banks now provide high-interest savings accounts with no monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, or transfer fees. Those features help you to achieve a higher savings rate. So just how do we find the best high-interest savings account? Teachers and educators have abundant options when shopping for the best high-interest savings account. Consider low initial deposit. Most educators want to open high interest savings accounts with minimal cash, so a low initial deposit makes it easier to start investing. Minimum balance requirements. Some high interest savings accounts require maintaining a minimum balance to qualify for the promoted APY. Account fees. Like inflation, account fees drain your savings of growth. Check the account for maintenance and monthly balance fees. FDIC insurance. Usually, high-interest savings accounts are insured against loss by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC. The FDIC is an independent agency of the United States government that protects bank depositors against the loss of their insured deposits in the event that an FDIC-insured bank or savings association fails. This protection is usually up to $250,000. So how do we open a high-interest savings account? When opening this type of account, you want to check the bank's interest rates and fees schedule. In addition, you'll need your identification, contact information, social security information, of course, to move forward. The company, known as Sofi, has a checking and savings account option, which makes it a breeze to open a high-interest savings account and earn up to 2% APY on qualifying accounts. Best of all, Sofi never charges monthly or overdraft fees. A $1,000 deposit would earn you an additional $20. A $10,000 deposit would earn an additional $200. A $100,000 deposit would earn an additional $2,000, so on and so forth. But Sofi also has some additional benefits for signing up. They have an option for a 2-day early paycheck. If you set this up, you can set up a direct deposit and you'll automatically get your paycheck up to 2 days early. There's also the possibility to get up to $300. You have the potential to score a cash bonus up to $300 when you set up a direct deposit. And at the time of this recording, they do not have any account fees. So that's no overdraft fees, no minimum balance fees, no monthly fees. They have over 55,000 fee-free ATMs. These bonuses can change, so always, of course, be sure to review the terms. With an economy that is ever changing, why not find out ways to make your money work for you? To get started, click on the link in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to comment and subscribe to stay tuned in for more content on how to increase your net worth as a teacher. Until next time.